Hi there, thanks for stopping in. I got a new sticker sent to me this week by Wayne the Woodturner out of the UK. Sent it by email. Thank you, Wayne, for sending it. Now if you want to check out Wayne the Woodturner's channel, I'll put a link below the video in the description box so you can check out his work. Now for today's project, I'm not going to show you a lot of the building on anything, but just what I came up with. Now you probably know from the title of the video what this is. But anyway, if you want to stick around for a couple of minutes, I'll give you a brief description of what this is all about, why I bothered to do it, and how I bothered to do it. Hang in there, I'll be right back. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you've probably picked up on the fact that I like woodworking and wood turning, and I like making videos showing what I've done. A lot of the times when I do a video, I like to use two perspectives so that you can see two different angles of what I'm turning or what I'm building. And for my second perspective, I've been using this iPhone 5 for quite a long time now. I got these smaller tripods to put on them. I really like this one. It's got magnets in the bottom so I can stick it on something, it won't move around. Unfortunately, the phone is past its prime. It's not taking very good videos anymore and got a lot of other problems. So I've upgraded to an iPhone 8 Plus. Much better quality of videos, or at least so I'm told. I haven't even shot any yet. One problem, it's too large for this. Now, I looked around to find another one of this type big enough for this, and they're like $150. Now, I've believed for a long time that as woodworkers, we can make almost anything. Of course, if you need a lot of strength, go with steel, but for wood, you can make almost anything if you've got the tools, if you've got the knowledge, and if you want to. So I decided, instead of spending $150, that I would make my own case for this tripod. And I came up with this. It's two pieces. And I just put this in here. Set this one on top. Use some of these 1/4-20 screws. Got inserts in here for that. One on this side so I can put it onto the screw on these tripods. I can put it on my main tripod if I want to. And I just wanted to show you that this is another thing as a woodworker we can make if we want to. Now, as I said, I made this with my X-Carve CNC router. But if you don't have one of those, you can make up a template. You can do this with a router. You can chisel it out if you want to, either one of them. If you do happen to use an X-Carve, I've uploaded the plans for these, so you can download them if you want and carve your own. All I wanted to do today was show you this, see what you think of it. And if you don't have an X-Carve and want some measurements, you can just easily take the measurement on your own phone. This one I've got in an OtterBox Defender to protect that. That's one of the reasons it won't fit on some of these other things. So let me know what you think of this. Have a great day in your shop. Thank you for coming in. Remember to be safe. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye now.